Okay.
Okay, this is the Firebird Stratus, and I've got a mini keychain video camera mounted on the top, so it's going to look like what the pilot sees from the airplane. And this is my third flight. The second flight ended up in a tree, but we got it down thanks to my son Steve. And I'm going to hand launch this one, and we'll see what happens. I got to turn the video camera on the plane.